Hi, I'm Kayla with Done For You Tax, and first off, congrats on booking your call. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how our team can finish an entire year of your bookkeeping in about 48 hours, give you tax grade accuracy, and do it for a fraction of what most firms charge, all while you do almost nothing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's going to happen on your call, what to bring, and how we'll get your books cleaned up fast. Then we'll share a few real client stories at the end of this video so you can see what's realistic for a business your size. Before we dive in, a quick note so we don't waste your time. Our service is not available for businesses over 3.5 million in annual revenue, real estate businesses, property management companies, fix and flips, or owners of more than 3 rental properties, full service restaurants and bars, the trucking industry, and unfortunately, nonprofits are also not a good fit for our system. If that's you, it's totally okay, but our process isn't built for your needs. If you booked a call and fall into one of those categories, you can cancel or let us know so we can point you in a better direction. If you don't fall into those, you're in exactly the right place. Let's keep going. If you're watching this, you probably already feel some level of pain around your books. Maybe you're behind a few months or a full year. You're dreading tax season and hoping the IRS doesn't notice. Or every time you open QuickBooks, you close it again because it's overwhelming. If that's you, you're not broken. You're normal. Most owners under $1 million in revenue do not have clean books. They're busy trying to keep the business alive. Our founder, Ryan Moriarty, was in the exact same spot. He finished his PhD in computer science at UCLA, started his first business, and every bookkeeping option sucked. The firms he actually trusted were insanely expensive. The cheap options were offshore VAs clicking buttons they didn't really understand, and talking to them felt like talking to a robot. Then he had this thought, wait, I literally know how to build robots. So instead of hiring another mediocre solution, he built an AI system that could do about 80% of the work automatically, and then put real US bookkeepers on top to check every line. That combo is what you're stepping into now. Here's how our system works in plain English. AI engine. It pulls in your transactions and classifies them automatically based on patterns from thousands of similar transactions. US bookkeeper review. A real human bookkeeper here in the US goes through every line, fixes edge cases, and makes sure it's fully tax ready. And if you ever want to talk through something, you can schedule a one-on-one call with your bookkeeper to review your books together. Ongoing learning. The more we work on your books, the smarter the system gets about your business. That combination cuts our internal labor costs by about 70%. That's why we can start as low as $197 per month while still delivering the same level of tax grade accuracy high-end firms aim for. Here's our concrete promise to you. We will deliver a first draft of your entire year of books in 48 hours after we get access to your accounts. That's true whether your books were kind of done or not touched at all. And we'll back it up with 48-hour catch-up guarantee. If we don't deliver that first draft in 48 hours, you don't pay for the cleanup. And 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason, even if you just don't like our logo. So when you show up to your call, there's basically no financial downside for saying yes and letting us prove it. On your upcoming call, here's what we'll walk through, and then if we're a fit, what happens next? Understand your business. We'll ask a few simple questions. What you do, roughly how much you make, what tools you're already using. Connect accounts securely. If we work together, we'll connect your bank and card accounts using Plaid, the same secure system used by Venmo and most major fintech apps. 48-hour draft. As soon as the accounts are connected, our AI engine downloads your last year's transactions, classifies them, and your US bookkeeper reviews everything. Within 48 hours, you get a complete draft of your year of books. Live review with your bookkeeper. You hop on a call with your dedicated bookkeeper. Together, you walk through the draft to make sure every line is right. We stay with you until you're 100% confident. Ongoing done-for-you bookkeeping and tax prep. After that, transactions are pulled in daily and categorized automatically. You get clean, up-to-date books and tax-ready financials with unlimited access to your bookkeeper when you need them. Right now, we have 300 plus 5-star reviews on Google and other platforms from small business owners just like you. People who are behind, stressed, and honestly a little embarrassed, who now have up-to-date books, filed taxes, and a clear picture of their business. We'll share a few of those stories at the end of this video so you can see what's realistic for a business your size. To get the most from your upcoming call, here's what to have ready: a list of the bank and credit card accounts you use for the business, rough estimates of last year's revenue, any existing bookkeeping system you're using now, QuickBooks, spreadsheets, nothing, all fine. Your main goal: I want to get caught up, I want to stop worrying about the IRS, etc. If you bring those, we can usually tell you on the call exactly how fast we can clean you up and what your monthly price will be. So quick recap: AI and US-based bookkeepers finish a year of books in about 48 hours. You get tax grade accuracy for a fraction of what firms normally charge. Plans start at $197 per month. You're protected by a 48-hour catch-up guarantee and a 30-day money-back guarantee. And you now know exactly who we're a fit for and who we're not. All that's left is for you to show up to your call. We'll respect your time, we'll be straight with you, and if we're not a fit, we'll tell you. If you're tired of stressing about bookkeeping, watch for the calendar invite, show up on time, and we'll take it from there. Now, let me introduce you to a few of our clients so you can hear their experience in their own words.
I was doing my own bookkeeping, preparing for my own taxes, and I was just an absolute nightmare. I don't know how to do any of that. Done For You Tax really helped me out. What I was skeptical most about when I first started using Done For You Tax was the price. They got me in at a really good price, but that was the thing that was hard to believe. It's like, are you really going to give me good service for that price? But they really have. Talked to the owner at Done For You Tax. Felt like he was being straightforward. I felt like he really knew what he was talking about, and it wasn't a scam. I was 100% confident in my book. Sure was a big relief when I saw all those crazy forms go through that you guys did for me. Done For You Tax has really given me a lot of time back. I really appreciate the fact that there's a CPA that I can just call and have a conversation with whenever I need to reconcile all of my bank accounts all the time. So it definitely saved me some time. Done For You Tax has saved me at least $500 a month.
We actually didn't know what to do for bookkeeping, but Ryan and his team made it super easy for us to get our personal taxes and business taxes together. They're very efficient, and we appreciate them for that because other companies aren't. Based on our referral, we made the decision to try it out, but we've seen good reviews on it, so we definitely gave it a try. Honestly, I'd say a 10, yeah. I'd say it's pretty confident. They detailed everything, itemized everything.
Having someone reach out to us every quarter to discuss any questions and any discrepancies with our books.
Honestly, a lot. Probably double-digit hours saved. Maybe close to 3.
Yeah, definitely saves us a lot. Ballpark answer would be several hundred, considering the professionalism and the efficiency and hard work that they've done with our books.
Hi, my name is Lisa Cook, and I'm the CEO of Ally Marketing. We were struggling. I would hire people to do it, and it was just a struggle. It kept me up at night. What a high-quality bookkeeping system could do for our company, and that was my only skepticism because I had paid a lot of money in the past. I loved the intro video. I loved that, this is a human. This is a really clever organization. I loved the simplicity of it in the demo, and I just loved the promise of great customer service. I got a draft of the entire year's books in 48 hours. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 10. I feel very confident that our books are solid. You've saved me 37 to 38 hours a month. If we think about indirect savings, now that I know the numbers, now that I know where my business stands, it's going to save me thousands a month down the line.
I have to say I was a little skeptical at first. I initially heard of them through Instagram, and I thought, wow, they say they give you a guarantee that within 48 hours they get your first draft of your books. And I thought, wow. So I just thought, you know what, I'm going to sign up, I'm going to do it. And literally it was the easiest thing I'd ever done. I was able to download my statements from the bank, and literally within a day they had a rough draft, and within 48 hours they had a pretty good draft of the entire 9 months. I was amazed how quickly it went and how efficient. I've gotten a weekly call since then, and we kind of tweak things. It's been really relatively painless, shockingly, and it's such a weight off my shoulders. Can't say enough good about them. I would recommend them highly. Done For You Taxes is awesome, and I'll definitely be referring them to some of my friends.
I had no idea how to do anything about taxes. It was a big struggle to learn. I had all of last year to deal with no idea where even any of the information was or how to access it. But it was really helpful to have the guidance of Done For You Tax. They helped me tremendously. I was skeptical about just using people online. Is this really going to work? Is this really going to give me the stuff that I need to move forward? And I decided to give this company a try. I did not get my draft in 48 hours, but that's because it took me months to get the information. But as soon as I got the information, everything moved quick. When I finalized, I was very confident. We had some challenges along the way of getting to the finish line. It saved me quite a bit of hours per month. I really don't know the exact number, but I know now I spend very little time. It's pretty easy, super easy. They save me a lot of time. Done For You Tax saved me some money per month for sure, because it's just a flat fee that's everything's included with. I don't know exactly how much it saved me, but it saved me time, money, and effort.